My martial arts and self-protection training services take the form mainly of private lessons, personal training sessions, and seminars and webinars. For my private clients, I also offer a special invitational intensive training experience. This happens on a regular basis where a small group of my clients get together and have an opportunity to work in a club-like atmosphere and train for around 3 hours. The footage that you're going to see now comes from one of those sessions illustrating exactly the sort of thing that we do. This is only one part of the actual training session. We are working a lot within the ecological dynamics framework, at least from a rough point of view. From my earliest days of teaching Club Chimera martial arts, there's always been an emphasis on live training. There's always been an emphasis on pressure testing and doing some form of resistant-based work. This video shows excerpts from some of the last rounds of a 3-hour session. The first part of the session was boxing and the second part was Muay Thai. This latter footage is more specific sparring based, where you can see more familiar martial arts techniques being used. We try to use a layering approach but also isolation and integration parts of the procedure.